Fine, let us start solving the problem number 20. Find out perimeter and area of the given diagram. Let me first find the perimeter. Right, let me consider this as A. Right, this point as A. This is B, C, right, D, E, right, F, G, H. So perimeter is nothing but the sum of the sides, right? That is going to be AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HE. Let us check out one by one. What is the value of AB? AB that we need to check out here. So this should be 8. This is going to be 4. This is going to be 4. Why? Because this is 16 centimeter. Let us check out. AB is equal to 8 plus BC. BC is equal to 20. Correct. CD is equal to 4 plus D is equal to 45 plus EF. This is EF. EF is equal to 16 plus FG is equal to 45 plus GH is equal to 4 and HA is equal to 20. Now add it. See what happens. 20 plus 20, 40, right? 8 plus 4. Let us check out this. 28, 32, 32 plus 16 plus 4, 20. 32 plus 20 is 40 to 52, 72 plus 90. Right? 72 plus 90. It is nothing but 2. 9 plus 7 is 16. 160 centimeter. 162 centimeter is the perimeter. Let us check out one by one again. 20 plus 20, 40, 45 plus 45, 90. 40 plus 90 is 130. 16 plus 4, 20. That is going to be 150. 8 plus 4 is 12. That is 162 centimeter. Now we need to find the area. Let the area of the given diagram, area of the given diagram is equal to area of, so AB, see this is CH plus area of, so from here, right? So this is what we need to find out. GD, right? GDEF, correct? GDEF. This is second diagram and this is first diagram. So what they have given, area of ABCH is equal to length into breadth, that is plus length into breadth. What is the length here? Length is equal to, that is going to be 20 into 8 plus here length is equal to 45 into B is equal to 60. 28 8 2 is 16, 160 plus 16 into 45. Let me multiply here. 16 into 45, 16 5 is 80, 0, 8 carry, right? Then 16 4 is 64 plus 8, that is 72, 720. It is nothing but 0, 6 plus 2 is 8, 7 plus 1 is 8, 880 centimeter square. This is what the answer is. This is area and this is perimeter. Hope you understood. This is area.